what's the point of rocks? People always ask me, they're like, why do you use rocks? What's the issue with boulders? Why would I pay to have rocks put in my landscape? So I wanted to talk to you today about a couple of different options and things that we use rocks for. As you can see here, there are these huge, massive boulders. These boulders, as you can see, give a different style, a different color, a different architecture to the back of this. On the front side of this, there's a waterfall and a water feature that goes out the front. And so we just don't want to have a big mound of dirt here. So we use these rocks, we set them appropriately to be able to have that. And so from there, we take these medium-sized rocks. These are medium-sized rounds up here. And so you can see those. And we built those into the landscape so that it looks like a natural formation of rock. And then we've tied all of these rocks into our water feature. And so this is one of those things where, yeah, rock are expensive, but they give that extra boost of architecture and culture and characteristics. Like this one right here has got some characters in it. It's got some color in it, and it makes for adding something beautiful to the landscape. As we move across here, because we're all in the same project, so you move across, you have this. This is what we would call number 4 egg rock. And so number 4 egg rock here is what we would use in some of these flower beds, or use in a different ability or different location. And so this all has egg rock. There's no maintenance to this egg rock. Yes, there is an initial investment in that rock. However, that rock completely will be there forever. There isn't a redo on the rock. And as we move across this same area, within 75 feet of each other, we get over here to this flagstone walkway. This flagstone walkway is one that we built on this project. We've used different pieces of flagstone in different colors and different textures to be able to give that nice flow to the overall architecture of this particular walkway. These walkways in this job, actually, they go down to the garden and they go to different areas of the yard. But then you'll also see in here, we have this small rock that we call pea gravel. This rock is really, really small. It literally is the size of a pea, and it is very small. And so that rock gives us the ability to have different components of rock here with it, and it gives us a different look. We didn't just use one solid rock so it all blends together. We use different rocks so that we get different layers of architecture and we get a different looks of it. So if you need some help with trying to pick out rocks, there are lots of rocks out there. There are lots of styles of rocks. There are lots of big boulders that have different kind of features and architecture to them. Go to your local stone mart, go to your local stone center, and look at what they have. Look at the different colors. There's Tennessee, there's Alabama, there's all kinds of different color. And each one of those rocks give you different features and different characteristics for your landscape. So if you need some help, let us know. But check out your local center and the stone center or your local rock center and see what they've got in stock and get out here and enjoy that landscape.